Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where we'll create a bouncing ball in our terminal. So first of all we'd like to import time and we'd like to import OC. Yep. Then first thing we'd like to do is write. So guys, let's write width height equals 20 and 10. Next we'd like to do is x and y equals 0, 0. And next we'd like to do is write dx and dy equals 1, 1. Yep. And then we'd like to write while true, yep. And we'd like to write the OC system. Okay, so after we wrote the OC system, we'd like to write for j in range of height colon, and we'd like to write line equals strings. Yep. And then we'd like to write for I in range, we write here width, and then we'd like to write if I equals x and j equals y, then we'd put a colon, and then we'd like to write line plus equals 0. We'd like to write here else line plus equals over here some space in the strings, and then we'd like to write just for in the part for I would like to write print line. Yep guys, and next we'd like to do is just write x plus equals dx, then we'd like to write y plus equals dy. Yep. Then we'd like to write if x equals 0 or x equals width minus 1 colon, we'd like to write dx multiply equals -1. Yep. Then we'd like to write if y equals 0 or y equals height minus 1 colon, and we'd like to write dy multiply equals -1. Yep. And then we'd just like to write time dot sleep, and inside of it, like to write 0.1. Okay guys, let's save it up and let's run it. So as you see, we got a ball rolling around. So okay guys, this is all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.